Hi, welcome to our new tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to turn your plain blog into an eye-catching blog gallery. So, let's get started. First, install the Essential Grid Gallery from the Shopify App Store. After installing the app, go to the Apps section and select Essential Grid Gallery. We are on the Essential Grid Gallery app dashboard. Now click on the Create Gallery from Template. Click on Blog Posts from the left menu. There are many beautiful blog galleries available. You can choose any gallery you like. Now, we are selecting the Hoover template. Click the plus icon, then click the Install Grid button. Then, click Open Imported Grid Gallery. You'll notice the gallery isn't displaying because we haven't selected any blog categories yet. We need to select a blog gallery. To do this, go to the Source tab. Blog posts are already selected by default. Now, we need to choose blog categories. You can also select multiple categories. If you don't see your categories, just hit the refresh button, then click the Save Gallery button. You can see that our blog gallery template has now appeared. Now, we'll publish this blog gallery template on our Shopify blog page. Go to the Naming tab. You can display your gallery by copying and pasting the ID. Alternatively, you can select the blog page from the drop-down menu and click the Publish button. Before clicking Publish, make sure to save your changes. And click on the Publish button. When you click the Publish button, it will take you directly to your default Shopify blog page. You can see that our imported blog gallery template is now displayed on the blog page. Click the Save button. Let's check our changes in the live preview. This was our default blog layout. Refresh the page and check it. Our blog template is perfectly visible now. You can easily add filters and customize this layout using your imagination. Let's get back to our dashboard. Go to the Grid Settings tab. Scroll down a bit. We want to display 3 blog posts per row on the desktop. After entering the value, make sure to save your changes. You can change the settings for different devices to match how you want it to look. Let's see how it looks in the live preview. Reloading the blog page again. Our custom blog gallery is now perfectly showcased on the default Shopify blog page, giving it a sleek and eye-catching look. This is how you can quickly design a beautiful blog gallery that will grab your visitors' attention. We appreciate your time and look forward to seeing your next video. Thank you for watching.